afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question number 41. So our focus under this question centered on a word that has different stress pattern. And when we talk of stress is the amount of force that a particular syllable takes during pronunciation or in the course of production. However, we can only talk about stress when we are considering bisyllabic words, three-syllabic words, four-syllabic words, polysyllabic way, and so on and so forth. I think the longest way in English dictionary today in Oxford is interdenominationalism, which is a word of about 23 letters, and it has 12 syllables. 12 syllables. So it is under this condition that we can talk of stress, unlike monosyllabic word, like one. So we cannot divide the word one into any unit or into any syllable. So now I want to look out for a word among these options that takes its stress on a particular syllable. The option A is what we call abrupt. So we have two syllables here. So this is one syllable, this is the second syllable. Then this in the second word, abstain, we have one syllable, we have the second syllable here. The option C, event, the AS is represented by sure sound, one syllable, and this is the second syllable. The bamboo, this is the first syllable, and this is the second syllable. Begot, we have two syllables here too, one syllable, and this is the second syllable. So they are all bisyllabic word. Then when we talk of the first syllable takes its stress on the second. The first option takes its stress on the second syllable. Then option B also takes its stress on the second syllable, 10. Then we'll talk of option C, advent. The stress falls on the first syllable, although it is a noun word, take note of that. Then bamboo is also a noun word. It takes its stress on the second syllable. This is why we have the syllable boo, because the u here is long u. Begot is verb, belongs to verb class. Then it takes its stress on the second syllable. So since all this except option C takes its stress on the first syllable, therefore option C is our correct answer, because it takes its stress on a different syllable. So it is only word that has its stress pattern different. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.